In this section, we'll share some top tips for working with AZEK Advanced PVC Decking. Be aware of board temperatures. In order to minimize gapping between board ends, keep boards cool during storage and out of sun at time of fastening. If a board is fastened when heated or at any time in full sun, it will contract when cooled, exposing larger gaps at butt joints and board ends. Follow board placement guidelines. While spacing between boards should be 1/8 inch to 1/4 inch, the spacing at butt joints, miters, and splices should always be tight with TimberTech Advanced PVC Decking. Do not leave a gap on any end joints. A high-quality top-down fastener, such as our stainless steel top-lock color-matched screws or Cortex screws with color-matched plugs, can be used to best minimize gapping from expansion and contraction. Top-down fastening is recommended for best results. No pre-drilling required for TimberTech Advanced PVC Decking. Drive fasteners perpendicular and flush with the board surface. Fasteners should be driven a minimum of 1 1/4 inch into the joist. However, if using Cortex screws and plugs, the screw will be countersunk at proper depth to allow for plug insertion. Always have fasteners within 1/2 inch of board ends and 3/4 inch from board edges for TimberTech Advanced PVC Decking. Fasten the board with 2 screws at each joist, no more than 16 inches apart for best results.